Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we've got something exciting for all you Nintendo Switch enthusiasts. We'll be taking a closer look at the uscoreek Mario controller for Nintendo Switch. This cool controller is packed with features, and we'll break it all down for you in this video. So, let's dive right in. First off, let's talk about the design. The uscoreek Mario controller features a unique and eye-catching design, thanks to the latest water transfer printing technology. The iconic Mario pattern on the controller adds a touch of nostalgia and is sure to appeal to gaming enthusiasts. Now, one of the key aspects of any controller is its compatibility. The uscoreek Mario controller is perfectly compatible with Nintendo Switch, Switch Lite, and Switch OLED. This means you can use it across various Nintendo gaming platforms without any issues. Moving on to the features, this controller comes equipped with dual vibration and shock capabilities, thanks to its 3-axis and 3-gyro motion-sensitive technology. It enhances your gaming experience by providing realistic feedback and senses during gameplay. Plus, it also has a wake-up function, which is handy when you're jumping into action-packed games. The controller is responsive and ensures that you're always in control of your gameplay. Another standout feature is the built-in 450 mAh battery. With just 2 to 3 hours of charging time, you can enjoy approximately 15 hours of gameplay. So, no need to worry about constant recharging during your gaming sessions. Now, let's talk pricing. The uscoreek Mario controller has a list price of $39.99, but you can grab it on Amazon for just $33.96. Saving you $6.03 or 15%. Keep in mind that prices may vary, so be sure to check the latest deals. Before we wrap up, let's briefly mention some user feedback. This controller has received positive reviews, with an average rating of 4.2 out of 5 stars on Amazon. Users have praised its performance and design. In conclusion, the uscoreek Mario controller for Nintendo Switch offers a great gaming experience with its cool design, compatibility, and impressive features. It's a worthy addition to your gaming setup, especially if you're a fan of Mario. That's it for today's product critique video on the uscoreek Mario controller. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more product reviews, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Thank you for joining us today, and as always, happy gaming!